Radical marketers, do I have a pure gem for you all today? In today's video, we are going to be doing a review on the official credit union of my Portland Trailblazers. Shout outs to all of Rip City. I'm actually the ball boy. They don't even know it yet, but I am. And in today's video, like I said, we're going to be reviewing a top 5 credit union that is open membership for all with soft pull for entry as well. So there's going to be a ton of data points that I'm dropping. They have a $100,000 credit card. They got soft pull personal loans. They got soft pull student refi and auto loans. You're not going to want to miss it. Stay tuned. I'm excited to tell you why I love First Tech Federal Credit Union. Let's get into this. Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we teach you how to build credit, leverage credit, and create wealth. So smash that like button for me, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button for me, because I make videos daily and you, my friend, do not want to miss it. If it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for your time and your trust. Time is our greatest asset that we can never get back, and I promise to give you all stuff and no fluff. So do me a huge favor if you can, and comment below if you're a first-time viewer, because I would love to welcome you to the channel. And also leave your question or comment about today's video, and I would be happy to answer it within 24 hours. Thanks for watching today. And for all of you radical marketers out there, salute. You know what time it is. Throw a like right now. Do your emoji dance in the comment section. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 comments in the comment section. Engage with this video absolutely right now, so that way YouTube can start spreading this video out and everybody can level up in their finance journey. I tell everybody all the time, when you engage with the video, when you just click the like button, and when you put 1, 2, or 3 comments in the comment section, even if it's an emoji, it helps the video get to a larger audience, and that's the best thing you can do for a creator like myself that's trying to help everybody level up in finance. And if you have not joined the private Facebook group right now, please do so. Link is in the description below. We have over 7,000 credit gurus dropping tips, tricks, hacks daily. You do not want to miss it. It's amazing. No self-promotion, no selling allowed, completely free to join, so you can learn, grow, and level up your credit in that community. And also, I am doing a ton of things on Instagram very, very soon. Some of you all have already had your credit questions answered in a voice memo. DM me on Instagram, add me on Instagram at The Radical Marketer. Link is in the bio below as well. And I will be doing a lot of content on Instagram soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we are going to do a deep dive on First Tech Federal Credit Union, the official credit union of my Portland Trailblazers. That's right, I said my because I'm part of the team and they don't know it. I know it's a little bit of fluff right there. I know I promised no fluff, but hey, I love Portland, so let's do this. So First Tech Federal Credit Union, what you guys need to know, we're going to talk about some of their main products, and then we're going to do a deep dive on some of their premier products that they have to offer in other videos. Do me a huge favor, if you have First Tech, comment in the comment section below. What products do you have? What limits do you have? How was your experience? I'm going to tell you all my experience with First Tech, what I have with First Tech, and what I plan to do with First Tech. And yeah, it's going to be an exciting video. So the first thing is, First Tech is going to be open for all. First Tech is basically the credit union that the Google employees use, or Facebook, things like that. It's a West Coast bank, but it's open to all. And I actually joined by calling their 800 number. But basically, you can apply for membership, super easy. You just got to have your driver's license, email, social, yada, 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 like anything else. You're going to join it through an organization called, I think it's called the Financial Fitness Organization. Don't quote me on that, but when you call in, you can join a nonprofit of their choice and then become a member, and it's super easy to join. I think it was like 10 or 25 bucks to become a member, nothing major. But First Tech is going to be really, really solid, because they're going to have a lot of great products that we're going to jump into, okay? So that's how you do it right there. You can discover who they are, more about it, right? Become a member, things like that, yada, yada, yada. All right, so let's jump into the next thing, okay? So the next thing we're going to talk about is their personal loans. What I love about their personal loans is you can actually pre-qualify even without being a member, okay? Now, I have firsthand experience on this, because I knew somebody that had a ton of credit card debt, and they wanted to consolidate that credit card debt. So I pointed them into First Tech, and I'm gonna go at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you some things that you really need to know about First Tech if you're gonna be applying for some of their amazing products. But what we did is we had her pre-qualify for a personal loan. She got approved for $20,000. She was not a member of First Tech. Hard pulls are gonna be from Experian. All of their credit products are gonna pull from Experian. Also, there's gonna be a soft pull for membership on First Tech Federal Credit Union, so you do not need to get a hard pull to your credit for First Tech. So that's key. Also, it's no geo restrictions and there's no limitations. Anybody can join, like I said, through their nonprofits. But you can check your rate right there and see, what you qualify for. And then what will happen is a loan agent will get in touch with you. They'll go over everything. There will be proof of income needed for these loans, okay? So this is not gonna be like the Navy Federal personal loan where you don't have to put documentation required. I joke around and say all the time, First Tech Federal Credit Union gives the most amazing high limits, but they're the most conservative bank in the most liberal area of America. It's just kind of funny to me. I don't know. I just think it's funny. But basically, personal loans, right? You can get up to a $50,000 personal loan, low as 6.7 APR. Personal lines of credit up to 25K. I already did a video. Check my channel on this. I'll put it in the link in the description as well. Stock secured loans and stock secured line of credit. What that is, people, is basically if you have a Fidelity account, you have Charles Schwab, whatever the case is, if you have, let's say $50,000, you can borrow up to half of that without losing your capital. So you're basically taking your portfolio and you're securing a line of credit or a loan off of your stocks without having to pay capital gains or losing your place with your stocks. So basically you hold on to your stocks, you just use it as collateral to get a loan or a line of credit. And that's a really unique product. And these loans go up to $1 million and the line of credit go up to $1 million. So if you have a stacked portfolio, you can leverage your capital or your asset right there. So I tell people all the time, it's credit, capital, and collateral, right? And so that's going to be a great way to get that as well. So then they have the certificate secured loan, like a pledge loan, things like that. It goes up to 500K. We've already talked about the ultimate pledge loan hack with Navy Federal. This is another way that you can do the same thing. And what I love about First Tech is, like I said, they're open nationwide. So there's no restrictions whatsoever. Anybody can join. So you're going to have, with Navy Federal, they don't have this, they don't have this. They're both personal loans. The nice thing about the First Tech is it's a pre-qualification, where with Navy Federal, it's not a pre-qualification. The bad part of this is there's going to be proof of income. Navy Federal won't be proof of income. Personal line of credit, they blow them out the water. There's a rumor going around that it's $3,000 to $5,000, $15,000 on the personal line of credit with Navy Federal. They call it a checking line of credit. Here it's 25K, okay? So you guys can explore that more, but I wanted to touch on this because their loan products are amazing and you can see if you pre-qualify without actually pulling your credit, okay? Now, one of the cool things is we can even try that, check my rate, okay? You'll go there, you'll get started. Do you already have a First Tech Credit Union? No, you're not a member, okay? And then you can just check out what that looks like for you. So it's really, really, really helpful. I think it's pretty great. Now, when you do get approved for a personal loan with them, or you do refi with your student loans, whatever the case is, they will open up a savings account, deposit the money in there for you directly. So even if you're doing a debt consolidation loan, they're not going to pay off the lenders for you like some people want to do. They're actually going to dump the money in there, and it's up to you if you want to consolidate that or not. I think that's super helpful. Those little things matter when you're dealing with hard inquiries and things like that. Now, like I said, stick around to the end of the video because we're going to go over some data points that you're going to need to know about. Here we go. Credit cards, my PDX, Rip City Blazers all day. The cool thing is you can actually get these cards in Trailblazer stuff as well, but let's look at it. We're going to be doing a separate video on this because I have some specific data points on how to get approved for this and what you need to know. This is going to be a card that you have to use in a specific sequence to get approved for this. So you're not going to want to miss it. We'll be doing that video really, really soon. But this is going to go up to $100,000. And if you don't believe me, look at this. I think it's still in writing here on there. Okay, so boom, up to $100,000 credit limit. Not joking with you all. Okay, so 6.99%. This is their only card with an annual fee, very similar to the Navy flagship card. So this is going to be their premier rewards card, just like that, right? So, and it's premium travel. It's the travel card. So it's basically First Tech's version of a flagship card, except for it goes up to 100K, right? And then they have the choice rewards and the platinum rewards, and then the platinum MasterCard. Everybody's got a platinum MasterCard. And then also have a secured card as well, okay? So you guys can kind of look in that. We can even do a deeper dive on the credit cards soon as well, but I just want to do an overview. All of their cards will not have a transaction fee. All of their cards won't have a balance transfer fee, and all of their cards won't have a cash advance fee. You guys know my strategies with balance transfer cards and cash advance. These are the type of cards that you can liquidate very, very easily, which I really, really like, right? So it's just going to be just like Navy Federal. I almost think that they're copying that type of model there. But yeah, you guys can look into that more. There's no pre-qualify on the cards, okay? Now, with First Tech, you're going to have pretty decent credit. And when I say pretty decent credit, you're going to have provable income. They will require proof of income. If you have a First Tech credit card, please comment, was there proof of income and what was the limit and who did they pull from? I would love to know that. The person that I know that actually got funding with First Tech they got denied for the credit card because they applied for this Odyssey Rewards, because the minimum limit on this card is $25K and it goes up to $25K and it goes up to $100,000. So if you get approved for the Odyssey Rewards card, you're immediately going to get a $25,000 limit. We will go over that entirety in another video, so check for that in the next couple days. Make sure you subscribe, like, smash the like button, and throw in your favorite basketball team, by the way, too. If you're an NBA fan, let me know who you're rocking with. I'm Rip City all day. Whether we tank or we go to the first round and get knocked out, it doesn't matter. I'm Dame Dollar all day. All right, so that's the credit cards. Now, if you guys have student loans, ladies and gentlemen, I always want to say ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to leave the ladies out. If you have student loans, you can look at their fixed rate loans, right? You can look at all that. You can check your rate. You can kind of do some rate estimating. Pretty great for student loans as well. And then we also have our vehicle loans. So you can even check your rate there. New auto loans, used auto loans. Now, I don't think that these guys are as good as PenFed or Navy Fed, because PenFed and Navy Fed will not require proof of income for their auto loans, where First Tech could. If you have a First Tech auto loan, please let us know. But you can get motorcycles, RVs, yada, yada, yada. But that is First Tech Credit Union in a nutshell. Now, let me tell you this real quick here. I actually bank with First Tech. I think that their banking is great. I think that their products are great. The reason why I'm banking with them isn't to get a loan or isn't to get a line of credit with them. Actually, it is, but I'm going for the stock secured line of credit and the stock secured loan. So I'm building up data points for that. And at some point, I probably will pull the trigger and get the credit card. The only hesitation that I have about First Tech is they're very, very conservative. So you're going to have really good proof of income. You're going to have very few inquiries. You're going to have a good credit profile, but not too much credit. This is actually a situation where if you have too much credit, you can get denied immediately. Okay, and I'm going to be going over that in some of the products deeper. We're just already like 12, 13 minutes into the video, and I don't want to keep this rolling too long. So like, comment, subscribe, join the private Facebook group, add me on Instagram at Radical Marketer. Comment if you've had First Tech. It's open for all. If you're going to join it, let us know. Let us know what you got approved for, what your data points were, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute.